A growing rift within the Zulu royal household has burst into the public sphere after a leaked audio clip captured AmaZulu King Misisulu kaZwelithini allegedly making offensive remarks about his sister Princess Nomkhosi Zulu in reference to their late mother. The controversial clip has sparked outrage among the king's siblings, who released a strongly worded joint statement condemning his remarks and warning that the monarchy's foundation is under threat if internal strife continues. The signatories, Prince Bambindlovu, Prince Lungelo, Prince Mandla Sizwe, Prince Simangaye, Prince Simengaye, Princess Tando Sizwe, Princess Nomkhosi, and Princess Bukhosi Bemvelo, denounced what they described as the king's erratic behavior and reaffirmed their commitment to preserving the legacy of their parents, the late King Goodwill Zwelithini and Queen Mantfombi Dlamini Zulu. In their statement, the royal siblings emphasized that the Zulu monarchy has been built on values of strength, dignity and wisdom. They argued that leadership is not a vehicle for personal pride or emotional outburst, but a sacred duty that demands humility and sacrifice. The statement said, "The manner in which we speak, the tone, and the language we use must be exemplary to the nation." The siblings asserted, "We all share the same womb of a great woman whose legacy must be safeguarded and whose name must never be pronounced in vain." They expressed concern that the leaked audio exposes deep-seated issues within the royal family, which can no longer be overlooked. The statement further said, "Our parents demonstrated and lived the values of mutual respect and unity at home. We must assure the nation that Ombane and Indlovukasi bequeathed seedlings who shall never hesitate to defend their illustrious legacy formidably and without fear." Referencing the broader societal impact of royal conduct, the siblings also spoke out against gender-based violence, pledging unwavering support for their sister and for all women, and said, "We wish to state that we'd never hesitate to protect our sister and any woman from harassment by any man, irrespective of his standing in the community. We are here to galvanize and charge up women to continue to stand up together and fight mercilessly against gender-based violence." Sources close to the royal family suggest the king's alleged outburst stems from mounting tensions over the vast estate left behind by late Queen Mantfombi Dlamini Zulu. As the daughter of Eswatini royalty, she brought significant wealth into the Zulu monarchy. Assets reportedly inherited from Swazi Royal Investment companies Dibiyo and Disuka Dakangwane. Her will, publicly read in May 2021 by advocate Griffiths Madoda Madonsela SC, reportedly bequeathed equal shares of her fortune, including millions held in Swazi bank accounts and valuable properties in South Africa, to all her children. The estate also includes investment policies with Old Mutual and Sanlam. However, insiders claim that King Misisulu's reluctance to honor aspects of her mother's final wishes has become a point of contention, especially as some siblings are facing financial hardships. The statement concludes with a powerful appeal for unity within the royal household, warning that division among its members threatens the institution they are meant to uphold. And it said, "Unity, not internal conflict, is necessary for the throne to survive. When discord spreads within the royal family, it endangers not just individuals, but also the monarchy's foundation." As the Zulu nation watches the royal drama unfold, many are calling for reconciliation and a return to guiding principles of leadership that have long anchored the AmaZulu monarchy. Whether King Misisulu heeds the call remains to be seen. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.